Surprising uses of lemon peels for home and beauty. With its cleansing, disinfecting, and deodorizing properties, lemon peel provides a variety of uses in the kitchen, around the house, and even for your body. We prepared a list of the best tips, remedies, and hacks that make use of lemon peel's versatility. After this, you'll surely not want to throw them away. Let's get started. Frozen peels. Freezing lemon peels for later use is a great way to reduce waste. Think about the times when you needed lemon zest for a recipe and having to buy a whole lemon for it. So instead of throwing them straight into the trash, store them into a Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer. Now, you can just grab some whenever you need it. All-purpose cleaner. Make a natural all-purpose cleaner by filling up a jar with lemon peels and some white vinegar. Cover and set aside for 2 weeks. Remove the peels to get the liquid. Fill a spray bottle halfway with water and the other half with the resulting lemon vinegar liquid. Finally, shake the mixture and you can now use it as an all-purpose solution to disinfect surfaces in your home. Microwave and stovetop. If you have lemon halves that have already been juiced, don't throw them away yet, as they can be used to clean the microwave and stovetop surfaces. Simply microwave them for about 20 seconds and rub them onto the surface of the stovetop and microwave. Lastly, wipe with a wet cloth to reveal the surfaces that look sparkling new. Coffee and tea stains. Aside from your stovetop and microwave, you can also use lemon peels to remove stains from coffee pots and mugs. Fill the pot with water and add some lemon peels. Place it over heat for a few minutes and the acid in the lemon will melt the stains of the pot. Do the same with dirty kettles and mugs. Cutting board. Cutting boards, especially wooden ones, can be the breeding grounds of harmful bacteria that can cause diseases. Make sure that you thoroughly clean them after use. And one way you can do this is using lemon and salt. Sprinkle some hard green salt on the board and then rub a used lemon half onto the surface. Rinse and dry. Before we proceed, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll never miss any of our future uploads. Garlic and onion smell. We're all too familiar with the pungent smell that garlic and onion leave on our hands whenever we use them. Lemon makes a great natural deodorizer, so the next time you're faced with this dilemma, just rub some lemon rinds thoroughly all over your hands and rinse afterward. Pest control. Speaking of lemon's use as a deodorizer, did you know that its scent can repel pests like ants and cockroaches too? Just spray some lemon juice onto the areas where these pesky pests hide. Or you may also place some lemon peels to make sure that the paint on the walls won't get damaged with the lemon juice. Body scrub. Who says lemon peels are only for scrubbing household surfaces clean? You can use them to exfoliate and nourish your skin too. To make a lemon body scrub, combine half cup of sugar, finely chopped lemon peels, and olive oil until it turns into a paste-like mixture. Use this in the shower and make sure to rinse off thoroughly after use. Dandruff. Get rid of dandruff by rubbing the lemon peel on your scalp. Do this repeatedly a few times a week to see results. Sweat stains. Sweat stains on clothes are troublesome to remove, and many people are suffering from this embarrassing dilemma. To finally get rid of these stubborn stains, take a used lemon half and rub the rind on the stained area. You can also add some baking soda, soak the clothes overnight, and then wash as usual. And those are the 10 ways you can use lemon peels in and out of the kitchen. We hope you learned something new from us today. If you did, check out the other videos on our channel and subscribe, because we'll be sharing more helpful tips and tricks with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.